Hey guys, I'm Savio.
I'm Thérèse.
I'm Cecilia.
I'm Rosalinda.
I'm Gianluca.
Please like and subscribe and click the notification bell to get notified every time we post a new video.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Hi, my name is Elizabeth. Did you know that we had a CD? It's called Slimish Mode.
Oh, hi. You can also download our MP3 so you can listen to our music on your phone and on your tablet and many more.
There's a lot of great ones like Sheedy Grow and Get Up Jump.
We also have t-shirts, and this is one of my favorites.
Hey guys, my name is Savio. I'm the oldest cotton picking kid. I play the mandolin, and this is our new album, Slimish Mountain, which is named after my original song. And if you're wondering, it does have Foggy Mountain Breakdown on this album. You can purchase this CD on our website at cottonpickingkids.com. Also, we have MP3s if you just want to download it and have it on your phone or anything, any device. We have t-shirts. Just check the website out. It's a great website, and I'll see you guys later.